Hi, my name's Alan Smith. I'm Head of Business Improvement and Modernisation, and my service mainly covers corporate support services, so business transformation and ICT, performance, strategic planning, corporate risk, audit, program management, information management, data protection, and also the archives, which is a place of public deposit, and the corporate store and digital bureau. So you get the picture. They're about services which help the council deliver its corporate plan and do the things that it needs to do. And so we're mostly kind of backroom people, but without us, things just wouldn't work. And for that reason, it's quite a critical service. Our priorities are about modernising the council, about making sure everything is working, but leading on modernisation, especially in terms of technology, and making sure that things work as well as they possibly can, and that the council is keeping pace with change. There's a lot going on. It's a sort of medium-sized service. It's about 95 people. Most of us are based in and around Ruthin, but we've got a flexible working policy, so actually people can work anywhere. And in terms of modernisation, my service was an early adopter in that we work more flexibly than probably almost any service in the council. And people find that works for us, and we use technology to help us. So, welcome to the service. It's great that you're joining us. You'll find a very supportive team here. You'll get a lot of help and support from people, and they're really a good bunch, even though they're doing a whole wide variety of things, and that's part of the interest of it. So, as I say, welcome. You'll soon find your feet. Make sure you pop in and say hello, and I'll be glad to meet you.